Hello everyone. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who visited KORNA. In order to show our appreciation, we regularly give back to the community in many different ways. This Thanksgiving week, we are having our first annual Shop for School event. The idea is to make fundraising easy. All you need to do is come in between October 11th and October 17th. We will donate 15% of your purchase before tax to your choice of participating school. If your school is not on the list, please ask your fundraiser coordinator to join our program. We'll also double the donation to the school that raises the most funds. Please share this video to anyone who has a pet or children in the school in Tri-Cities or North Shore. Thank you. Bye.